Chances are you know Gilligan's Island. After all, you clicked on this video. So, I'm going to show you how you can make the Gilligan's Island theme song. You can use any video editing software you want, but I will use Capcut. So first we are starting with Gilligan. I am going to make this an example opening, so I'm just gonna pick whatever comes to my mind. I want to use the clip where he is surprised that, spoiler alert, Marianne thinks that she's Ginger. His face is like, what the heck is going on? So what I'm deciding to do is put his face into the wheel. And then I decided to use the clip for Skipper, the one where he is telling Gilligan to go back to Marianne and how he looks right before the scene changes back to Gilligan. Now, next is the millionaire, or Mr.Howell. So what I did was go pick Mr.Howell in the scene where him and Mrs.Howell see Marianne run by, or Gilligan. And then I chose the clip where Mr. Howell was telling Mrs. Howell what was going on and why Ginger needed to dress like Marianne and Marianne was dressing like Ginger. And then here came the part where I was very interested. I had this thought, what if I choose John Wells to be in the as Ginger part, but I put quotes around it? So what I did was put Don Wells' name instead of Tina Louise's name right in the credits. How I did this was using the masking tools. And you might be like, what? I'm sure your video editor has some sort of masking tool, but if you're in Capcut like me, you go over to the clip that you want to do and go over to masking, choose a circle, and then if you want some feather added to it, it's your choice, but you need to shrink the clip maybe to fit the actor's face into the wheel. So I just selected mask, and then I shrunk the actor's face, for example. And now we needed to go to the Professor and Marianne part. The professor is pretty easy. I knew what I wanted to do with him. Then I did Tina Louise, of course, but I had to put her name there instead of Don Wells. So I swapped that out too, and it was just her dressing as Marianne. Just imagine if this opening credits was on that opening. People would be confused as heck as to what was going on. Wouldn't they been? I'm trying not to script myself, so this might sound awkward. Just let me know in the comments below if you want any tutorials like these for video editing or anything like that. Just let me know all of your ideas in the comments. So if you like this video, here's a video I think you'll enjoy. Have a wonderful day.